So some of the other stuff I want to talk about is how to get external data that you want to bring in. Some of the different things you can do is you can embed the data within your system. You can copy and paste it in there and just have it part of the spreadsheet. Or you can also have it here. It looks like it's embedded, but this is actually, when I go to data and I see connections, this is actually a separate file called store address and employee contacts. I can find out the properties of it. That's the name of it, the definition. It tells me this is where the file is. This is the name of the file. So it's all there. And if that file changes, I want to be able to affect the change. It's as simple as saying right click, refresh. Now the way I got that is I just went data, get external data, and I chose from text. So it lets you have data from whatever other sources you need, whether they're comma separated or text or access, or it can even link to a web page, and refresh it when you need to. Then the other way to do it is like I had here, you can have the actual link. So I can have a sheet referencing another sheet, which is referencing another sheet, which is referencing a file download from the internet. You can have all those links together. And the easiest way to do this is I demonstrated here. When you copy it, you right click paste and you paste link. So if you say copy, and then it just says paste link. And this has the link to that location. Now, if I were to take this and change it from $A, $1, actually I'll do that with this one here. So I'm going to change that. Now when I copy this down, instead of just being C7, it's going to give me all the stuff I see there, and then I can drag it over. And I end up having a replica of the other sheet. So if I start this with A1, and I can drag down, and I can see what's in the first cell, and I can drag over. And this is basically a replica of that first sheet. So we can see all the different things that are there. And this allows you to have a master sheet that people aren't editing, and they can't even see and they can't screw around with. And then you've got this other sheet that's referencing that sheet. It'll slow things down, but it'll also make it so you've got a bit more control over what people are seeing as opposed to what formulas are manipulating. So that's basically my my Excel course, functions and formulas. Are there any questions, any formulas or functions that you wish I touched on, or any concepts? Or there's lots and lots and lots of other functions. There's financial ones. There's a whole list there that I didn't even touch on. A lot of mathematical functions. Anything you could possibly need. It's all in there. And if you don't know what it is, go into here and say, well, I need something that I think would be a date and time function. So I go here to date and time, and it's, well, I think days 360 might be what I need. Hover over days 360 and it says returns the number of days between two dates based on a 360-day year, 12 30-day months. So anything that you're dealing with, if you're not sure, and if you think there might be a function, then just go look in the functions and just hover over it and it'll explain it.